Tina Davi was born on 9th November 1993 in Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Tina Davi's father name is Jashwant Davi, who is working as general manager in BSNL company. Tina Davi's mother's name is Himani Davi, who is retired IAS officer. Tina Davi's younger sister's name is Riya Davi, and Riya Davi is All India 5th rank in UPSC Civil Services examination in 2020. Tina Davi, at the age of 22, secured All India first rank in her first attempt in the UPSC Civil Services examination 2015. Tina Davi is also first woman candidate from the Dalit community to clear the UPSC exam. Tina Davi has completed her 12th and graduated with a political science subject. So, he had chosen political science and international relations as a optional subject in the UPSC mains examination. Tina Davi secured a total of 1063 marks in the UPSC exam. She got 868 marks in the written test and 195 marks in the interview. In the mains examination, she got 145 marks in essay paper and 119, 84 and 110 marks in general studies papers 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. In the first paper on the optional subject of political science and international relations, she secured 128 marks, and in the second paper she got 171 marks. Here is the mark sheet of Tina Davi. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.